In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for a Lightstream loan. It's a very easy process. In order for you to apply for a Lightstream loan and get the best possible rates and odds of getting approved, use the link that I'm going to leave in the pinned comment of this video. So before you start, if you wish to follow along and see the rates and terms and get a Lightstream loan, use the link that you can find on the comment section of this video. It is going to be under the first comment, aka the pinned comment. By clicking on the link that I'm going to leave, you will be immediately redirected to the Lightstream website, where you can browse through all of the loan options that they have. I recommend that you take your own time after you are redirected through the pinned comment to see what is best for you over here. So in order to apply for a Lightstream loan, scroll down and first use their rate tool over here. You will be able to choose from one of the loan purposes that they offer. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and select home improvement, pool, or solar loan. You can input the amount that you want to get from the loan and see the rates. You can find the lowest possible rate and the lowest possible payment amount. Choose whatever is best for you, and once you find a rate that satisfies you, all you have to do is click apply under the specific rate. Alternatively, you can also browse through the funds over here. I'm going to go ahead and select this lowest payment one. Whenever you select any of the rates that they display on the website, you will be immediately redirected to the loan application form, where you can actually apply for a Lightstream loan. You will have to include loan information, person information, security information, and finally confirm and submit all of the documents. They also have some basic requirements here, so be sure to check this out. But as long as you are able to provide valid and legitimate information about yourself and the loan that you want to acquire, you will be able to get a loan from Lightstream. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply for a Lightstream loan. It's a very quick and easy process. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.